Greetings, rail enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of Indian railways as we bring you the top 5 mind-blowing facts about the legendary WAG 9 locomotive. Fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. Fact number 5. Powerhouse on wheels. The WAG 9 locomotive is a true powerhouse on wheels. It belongs to the class of electric locomotives that revolutionized freight transportation in India. With a maximum speed of 110 kilometers per hour, 68 miles per hour, and an astonishing pulling capacity of up to 6,000 tons, these locomotives are the muscle behind moving heavy freight across the vast Indian Railways network. Fact number 4. Workhorse of Indian Railways. The WAG 9 locomotive has earned the reputation of being the workhorse of Indian Railways. These powerful engines are commonly seen hauling freight trains across the country, ensuring vital supplies and goods reach their destinations on time. From coal and iron ore to industrial raw materials, the WAG 9 handles it all with exceptional reliability and efficiency. Fact number 3. Electrifying performance. Behind the brawn lies the fascinating electrical prowess of the WAG 9 locomotive. These engines operate on a powerful 25,000-volt AC, alternating current, overhead electric supply. The intricate electrical system efficiently converts the high voltage into usable power, propelling the locomotive forward with exceptional acceleration and traction. Fact number 2. Steep gradient master. One of the most impressive feats of the WAG 9 locomotive is its ability to conquer steep gradients. These mighty engines are equipped with advanced traction control systems and powerful motors, allowing them to navigate challenging terrains effortlessly. Whether it's winding through the mountainous tracks of the Western Ghats or climbing steep inclines in the hilly regions of India, the WAG 9 tackles the toughest gradients with precision and grace. And now, the number 1 mind-blowing fact about the WAG 9 locomotive. Fact number 1. Made in India for India. The WAG 9 locomotive is a proud symbol of Make in India. These magnificent machines are manufactured domestically, showcasing the engineering prowess and technological advancements of the Indian Railways.